So your Mortein Insect Spray costs around about $8.80 compared to $5.40 for the Skoosh Shoo. So saving you about 39%, and the Skoosh is actually reusable. So there is no hydrofluorocarbons damaging the planet as there is in the aerosol, and you don't have to throw the Skoosh away like you do the Mortein because it's metal. The thank you hand wash, roughly around $7.50. The Skoosh Cleanse for the same size bottle works out at about $6.80, so you're saving 10% per 500 ml of hand wash. So click the link below this video to find out more about Propre Skoosh and Skoop range.